Today on Rust Bucket Adventures, we're going to investigate why our low tire pressure light gauge is on. So, first off, you need a scanner that is capable of reading all your tire pressures. Basically, or what in our case, what we did is we went around and checked all the tire pressures of all the tires on the ground, and they were all around 31. But then we noticed that the light's still on, so that means it's our spare tire. So let's whip out the scan tool and see if we can see what the pressure's at. So let me set that up and we'll take a look here in just a second. Scan. Let's see, system selection. Let's look at tire pressure monitoring. Live data. Let's see. Tires. It doesn't tell us the speeds, but we got like registration codes. So I have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the 4 tires plus the spare. And it's giving me my tire pressure. Aha. I got a strange feeling right there. Tire 5. Tire 5 is why my light's on. I've got 26 psi in my spare. We'll pump that up and see if we can make that disappear. So the tools we're going to need to do this job are, we're going to need an air compressor, extension cord. Always good to have a tire pressure gauge. And then we're going to need our toolkit. So our toolkit's hidden in here on the GX470. Some people have the whole toolkit. Comes in real handy, especially for changing out flat tires and stuff like that. You know, your jack is hidden back there, but you're gonna need this. So we're gonna pop this. And let's see. I think I need this tool, this tool, this tool. Okay, so this one's going to be the one that's going to go in through this hole, but I need to connect this to it. Let's line that up. Get that tightened down. Okay, and then that's going to go through the hole. There's a little line up there. And you know it's in. So we've got that in. Then we're going to take this tool right here. Going to spin this nut out here. See the screw coming out. And we want to line that up into this. Okay, so we're going to want to get this onto there. So we're going to slide it in. Tighten it up. And at this point, then we can give it a little twist. And we're now lowering the spare tire, which is underneath there. You see, we can't get to the valve stem. I guess we could. It's over there. We could reach up and over it, but we're just gonna lower it down so we can get at it a lot easier and hook it up. So let's keep going here. Set you down for a quick second here, make it a little easier. Okay, so then we lower it down and we can get the tire down here, and then we can get at the whoa, that tire's dirty. I think I have to do that, but then we got the valve stem right there, so let's check the tire pressure. Well, there's our culprit. It's supposed to be everybody else is at 32. This one's at 27, so let's hook up the extension cord and the air compressor and give her some air. So now we're just filling it up. We're gonna take it up to about I don't know, 34. So it's gonna be sitting underneath the vehicle, and then we're gonna go ahead and balance the rest of the tires across the car so they're all up at the 32 psi. Let's see, 32 psi. Let's see, we look on the door panel here, it says 32. Spare, everybody's at 32, so we're going to take everybody to 32. Okay, well, we got the spare to 32, and so I think we're going to put the valve cap back on and then crank her back into place. We're going to just crank it back into place. Take this out. We'll put this away, but you can see the tire right there. It's back in place. We're gonna put our access panel back in. Take our tools apart. Put them back in. Put them back where they belong. It needs to go all the way in. Just fits right in there. These apart. So this one goes here. This goes here. Grab the little thing, put it back in. Got the two tabs there. They slip in there. Slide it up. Lock it in place. Ready for the next time we need to get at it. So we're going to go ahead and balance out the rest of the tires and we'll take a look at the scan gauge to see if it tells. Okay, well, we finished up balancing out all the tires, and let's go inside and see if we can get that light off. I'm not sure if we've got to go for a drive or not to get that light to turn off. Let's see. Let's grab the keys over here. Light's still on. We'll take her for a little drive here. Wake everything up. Oh, and it's out. Well, looks like that was the answer. We just needed to put her in gear, give it a little drive, but tire light's gone. One thing is, if it's on solid, if the light is on solid, that means you have low tire pressure. If you see a blinking light, that typically means that the sensor's either been deregistered, or more than likely it's an older one and it's no longer transmitting. The battery's dead, so you'll need to get new TPMS sensors. So solid means you got a low tire, blinking means you got a bad sensor. So again, thank you for joining us here. Like and subscribe if you find any of this stuff that I'm doing interesting, or just to help out a new channel. Again, thank you for joining us for this adventure of Rusty Bucket's Adventures, and we'll see you in the next one.